have a look. So the valve cover was fairly easy. I had to disconnect the intake. It's a flexible hose on that side to the turbo, so I didn't have to disconnect it, plus it's a little too rusty. I did need to take off the intake and the coolant lines holding bracket, because that was pressing right up against the valve cover. And that was a little tricky because these guys are super rusted, but with a little bit of penetrant and a breaker bar, they loosened enough for me to hammer them off. I don't like how, yeah, they press the pipe here. That's completely not good. Plus they rusted on top of the pipe, which makes those pipes a little bit suspect. In case in future there'll be a coolant leak, that's probably where it might be. Anyway, so valve cover is off. So this is 3126, year 96 or 95. So this is the early Huey, which are actually more along the lines of 3116 with the first generation Huey electronic fuel and hydraulic fuel injection. So there's the Huey. I don't know if you guys recognize that one. Here are the electronic injection lines that are going in, and here it is. So this one is different, and it has the crossover tube, and the other difference is it sits on a copper or a bronze bushing, which is different than the later 3126 that have the stainless steel bushing cup that the injector sits in. So as far as I understand, my injectors, so the symptoms are generally in cold winter, or in cold weather, or if it was sitting for a while with cold nights, it takes it a while to start. Had it at Toromont. The guys diagnosed it. I did a bunch of other work. It was quite expensive, and I decided to do the rest of the work myself, because that would have been another $7,000 or so, to replace 3 or 6, 3 reman or 6 new. With their discount this year, it still would have been 7, maybe 8,000, whatever they would have found. Yeah, I think that's from the valve cover. As I was taking it out, a few pieces fell in, but generally it looks okay. Okay, yeah, this one is raised, this one is lowered, so no tension. Okay. Okay. So this is what I decided to do. My injectors are, I think, 6.5 and number 1 or number 3. I'll double check. I think it's number 1. 1, 6, and 5. So this will be the 6, 5, and 1 is all the way there. And how did I get my hands on injectors? It wouldn't be any cheaper this is how. Let's have a look. I hope they're the same. And we will see. We shall see. So it looks a little bit better. Probably. So here's the part number. 106-755 AZ. I don't remember if there was another part number somewhere. That was it, I think. Oh, here. Yeah. And this part number. So you can see 07237 116 7550 07. So a little bit different part numbers. We'll see. So there's luckily this came with, maybe I'll need to take it off. Yeah, it's just loose. Let's see how these look. Yeah, they look similar. So all we need to do is take out one and compare. Let's have a look at the other two. You don't need to see that. Oh. Free returns, okay. That was a while ago. Elite Part Supply LLC. So these are the guys I got it from. Hope they don't mind.